The Panavia Tornado is a family of twin-engine, variable sweep-wing, multi-role combat aircraft that was jointly developed and manufactured by Italy, United Kingdom, and Germany. Tornado has been involved in a number of conflicts, including the Gulf War and Iraq-Libyan Civil War. Aircraft has also been used in a number of peacekeeping and humanitarian missions. Tornado is a multi-role aircraft that can be used for more than just striking targets. In fact, many operators have replaced multiple aircraft types with the Tornado as a common type. This is because the Tornado can be used for a variety of missions, including battlefield reconnaissance, maritime patrol duties, and electronic countermeasures. Production contract for the first batch of Tornadoes was signed in July 1976. The first production aircraft flew on July 10, 1979, and the first aircraft were delivered to the Royal Air Force and German Air Force in June 1979. The first Italian Tornado was delivered in September 1981. Production of the Tornado came to an end in 1998. The last batch of aircraft produced went to the Royal Saudi Air Force. In June 2011 it was announced that the Tornado fleet had flown collectively over 1 million flying hours. Panavia Tornado evolved through three major production variants during its service life. Tornado IDS. Tornado IDS was a strike-oriented aircraft that could deliver a variety of ordnance, including guided missiles and bombs. It was also equipped with twin internal cannons and onboard countermeasures for self-defense. Tornado ECR. ECR was a specialized aircraft designed for electronic warfare and reconnaissance missions. It was equipped with a variety of sensors and equipment for detecting and jamming enemy radar systems, as well as for collecting intelligence. Tornado ADV. Air Defense variant was a dedicated interceptor aircraft that was designed to protect friendly airspace from enemy aircraft. It was equipped with a powerful radar and a variety of air-to-air missiles. The IDS and ECR airframes were the two most closely related marks, sharing some 80% commonality in parts. However, the IDS was the more capable aircraft overall, as it had a wider range of weapons and sensors. All Tornado variants were two-seat aircraft, which allowed for a pilot and a weapons systems officer to work together to operate the aircraft and its systems. Including all variants, 990 aircraft were built. Tornado operators have taken steps to extend the life of their fleets by upgrading the aircraft. These upgrades are expected to keep the Tornado in service until 2025, which is more than 50 years after the first prototype took flight. Since its introduction, the Tornado has undergone a series of upgrades and modifications to allow it to carry new weapons. These upgrades have increased the Tornado's capabilities and combat accuracy. One of the most significant upgrades was the introduction of the enhanced paveway and joint direct attack munition bombs. These bombs are more accurate than older unguided bombs, and they can be used to target specific locations with greater precision. Tornado has also been equipped with modern cruise missiles, such as the Taurus and Storm Shadow. These missiles are capable of flying long distances and striking targets with pinpoint accuracy. Tornado has a length of 55 feet, a wingspan of 45-foot spread, 28 feet swept, and a height of 19 feet. Wings area about 286 square feet. Tornado's empty weight is 14,091 kilograms and its maximum takeoff weight is 27,220 kilograms. One of the most distinctive features of the Tornado is its variable sweep wing. This means that the wings can be swept back to a maximum of 67 degrees for high-speed flight, or forward to a minimum of 20 degrees for low-speed flight. This gives the Tornado a wide range of operational capabilities. For example, when the wings are swept back, the Tornado can reach a top speed of Mach 2.2. This makes it one of the fastest combat aircraft in the world. When the wings are swept forward, the Tornado can fly at low speeds and altitudes, which makes it ideal for ground attack missions. Tornado is powered by two Rolls-Royce RB199 turbofan engines. These engines give the Tornado a thrust of 21,000 pounds each. The range of the Panavia Tornado depends on the variant and the configuration. The Tornado IDS has a maximum range of 1,390 kilometers with a full weapons load, while the Tornado ADV has a maximum range of 1,200 kilometers. The range of the Tornado can be extended by using external fuel tanks. The Tornado can carry up to two 2,300-liter drop tanks, which can increase its range by up to 500 kilometers. For long-range missions, the Tornado also has a retractable refueling probe. Panavia Tornado had a service ceiling of 50,000 feet, which means that it could maintain level flight at that altitude. Tornado also had a rate of climb reaching 15,100 feet per minute. Tornado's thrust reversers give it excellent low-speed handling and landing characteristics. The primary flight controls of the Tornado are a fly-by-wire hybrid, consisting of an analog quadruplex command and stability augmentation system connected to a digital autopilot and flight director system. This means that the flight controls are electronically controlled, but there is also a backup mechanical system in case of failure. To enhance pilot awareness, artificial feel was built into the flight controls, such as the centrally located stick. This means that the stick provides the pilot with feedback about the aircraft's attitude and movement. The Tornado cockpit is a tandem seat configuration, with the pilot in the front and the weapons officer in the back. The cockpit is equipped with a variety of avionics systems, including a pulse Doppler radar, an inertial navigation system, a weapons delivery system, and an electronic warfare system. The cockpit is also equipped with a number of displays and controls. The main display is a CRT monitor that shows the pilot's flight instruments, navigation information, and radar data. It also has BAE Systems developed the Tornado Advanced Radar Display Information System. Tornado's main radar is the AI-24 Foxhunter. The AI-24 Foxhunter is a pulse Doppler radar that is used for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. The AI-24 Foxhunter can track up to 20 targets and can detect targets at ranges of up to 160 kilometers. In addition to the AI-24 Foxhunter, the Tornado can also be equipped with a variety of other radars. For example, the air defense variant is equipped with the AI-24 Foxhunter and the AI-24 Gripen radar. The AI-24 Gripen radar is used for long-range air-to-air missions. Tornado can be fitted with a variety of different pods. These include Raptor Aerial Reconnaissance Pod. This pod is used to gather intelligence on ground targets. It can be used to take high-resolution images and videos, as well as to collect radar and radio signals. Raphael Lightning Targeting Pod. This pod is used to designate targets for laser-guided weapons. It can also be used to take high-resolution images and videos. Tiled Laser Designator Pod. This pod is used to designate targets for laser-guided weapons. It is also capable of detecting and tracking targets in low-light conditions. GEC Sky Shadow Electronic Countermeasure Pod. This pod is used to protect the aircraft from enemy radar and missiles. It can emit electronic signals to jam enemy radar, as well as to deploy chaff and flares to confuse enemy missiles. When come to armament, Tornado armed with 27mm Mauser BK-27 revolver cannon internally mounted under starboard side of fuselage with 180 rounds. Tornado is cleared to carry the majority of air-launched weapons in the NATO inventory, which means that it can carry a wide range of weapons to perform a variety of missions. Panavia Tornado has 9 hardpoints, or attachment points, for carrying weapons and equipment. Hardpoints are located on the wings and fuselage of the aircraft. Panavia Tornado ADV has 10 hardpoints. Strike variants of the Tornado have a limited air-to-air capability. They can only carry short-range air-to-air missiles, such as the AIM-9 Sidewinder or AIM-132 Osram. Tornado ADV, on the other hand, was specifically designed for air-to-air combat. Interceptor equipped with beyond visual range air-to-air missiles, such as the Skyflash and AIM-120 AMRAAM. These missiles allow the Tornado ADV to engage targets that are outside of its visual range. Different variants of the Tornado reflect the different roles that the aircraft was designed to play. Strike variants are designed to attack ground targets, while the Tornado ADV is designed to engage enemy aircraft. Tornado can fire brimstone missiles, Storm Shadow missiles and AGM-65 Maverick, AGM-88 HARM. It also can armed with wide variety of guided and unguided bombs.